Hi guys, it's Dimitri here again. Today we're going to go through the first lesson of the Python course that we enrolled for last week. So just follow along as we go through the process.
So first thing first, we're going to sign in. Okay, cool. So now we're at the dashboard, we've arrived. You can see I'm here with the option to check out my account information if I want, but that's not why we're here right now. And also note there are leaderboards. Everything is a competition apparently. Okay, so let's select the Python course. Great thing is now you don't have to keep this page open. So let's go ahead and do that. Simple double click. The installation section. So this section here, as you can see, getting started. That's where we're going to get going from. So we'll go ahead and click on the Python Software Foundation website. So as you can see, 3.7.2 is the latest version at the moment. And you can see that Python has picked up that we are on a Windows PC. And we can go ahead and download the version that is adequate for us. So this is our Python shell. Everything that we print will pop in here, but I will show you that in a moment.
So now I'm simply going to go through the lesson, understand it, and then I'll attempt a challenge at the end.